and are giving libraries to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Yes, we require the present photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to